Hi everyone. Today I want to explain to you the difference between a hollow body and an actual stacked shape that is needed for any inversion. Because a lot of acrobats or acro yogis or even yogis use the term hollow body, but it's not necessarily the correct line that we would need to be inverted into. So I just want to show you the difference between the hollow body and the proper stacked form or line for an inversion. So I'm going to start standing up just to show you that we usually stand quite comfortably when our shoulders are stacked onto our hips, and the hips are in line with the knees. The knees are maybe a little bit ahead of or in front of the ankles. But even if you bring them back and we stack all of those joints in the body, that's a fairly easy stance. So this arms extended, inverted, bum squeezed, maybe bring the feet together. This will be a very good pose or line for a handstand. Maybe even pointing the toes, everything pulled towards the midline, so all the thighs, the navel pulls back, the midline of the body is the center line running down the center of the body. So if you want to practice good handstand lines, it'll be open shoulders so that you can stack the elbows, the shoulders, maybe bend the wrists back, the hands back, and bring everything towards the midline. Holding here. This is a really good practice for any inversion. And then when people refer to hollow body, just let that go, shake it out. They would refer to the pose that I'm going to show it on the ground as well, but if you stand and you bring your body into hollow, it means the front body hollows as you pull the tailbone down, the navel back, pull the ribs down, and you should be able to see your toes in this position. So this is what we practice to prepare the body for inversions, but this is not an inversion pose or line, because we do not hold this position when we are inverted. Same as, I'm going to just show the hollow body on lying down. So when you're stretching out your legs, there's a slight lordosis curve in the lower back. We want to kill that arch, and you want to pull the lower back into the mat, hover the feet, and just hover the neck and the shoulders enough to be able to see your toes. This is hollow body. It's a slight pike, meaning pike would be bring the feet towards the front of the body, and arch would mean bringing the feet towards the back of the body. So it's a slight pike. The lower back is imprinted, and the gaze is down towards the toes. This is hollow body. We might refer to hollow body when we are upside down, but it doesn't necessarily mean that that is a good posh pose or line for an inversion. We want to keep the bones stacked for an inversion. So this is hollow body, this is inversion stacked line. So that's just the differentiation between the two lines. I can give you a lot more information and drills to actually drill hollow body really well, prepare it for a really good stacked line to be inverted in forearm stand, headstand, handstand, and many other inversions, maybe even if you're into acro yoga. These concepts will carry you through any other discipline. And yeah, if you need any more information, go to One Yoga, their website, and follow my classes on inspired inversions. There's a lot more information on there. See you.